Hashtag GK here with a little story for you. You remember back in the day, and I used to fix my washer and dryer. I had no problems. I loved those things. Old Kenmores, they were unbeatable. But the dryer started to squeak a little bit. I didn't have time to fix it. My girl was talking about, let's get new ones, let's get new ones, let's get new ones, which I really didn't want to. And we ended up going to a little spot and getting these little washer and dryer, a little bit bigger. Sold my washer, which I really regret doing, and so does she now because we understand. Well, she understands finally. So anyway, it takes like 3 people to move my old washer machine. That thing's heavy. This thing, this POS, I could basically throw it over my shoulder. What happens when the load gets unbalanced? This thing dances better than Ricky Martin and Michael Jackson put together. But here's the problem. Remember the old washing machines? You could dial in what you want and everything. This thing is computer controlled now. So you don't have to really do anything, right? Biggest problem is we save water. No, you don't. Because if you put a few things in here and this load gets unbalanced and this thing starts dancing, this hood, this is locked. Locked. You can't unlock it. You can't balance it out yourself. So you know what happens? The washing machine fills itself with more water, tries to rebalance itself, goes through the cycle, boom, still unbalanced. Drains all the water, starts it all over again, and I don't know how many gallons of water it used. So now I get tired of this. What do? I have to outfox this thing. So there's a magnetic lock that goes right here. And this is right here. I chopped the anchor piece off, which is this piece right here. That's what bolts into that spot right there. So anywho, I cut the anchor piece off. Now I can open and close this thing without worrying about being locked. There's a danger to this, because as that thing is spinning, if you stick your hand in there, you got a problem. So the best thing you can do when it starts getting unbalanced and whatnot, and you hear it dancing, press pause it, open it, move your clothes around and everything like that, and then, sure enough, close the lid, unpause it. The machine still thinks it's locked and everything is cool. Here's the thing, though. I can open and close this and the lights don't come on. So in order to wake it up, you see this little tape right here where this lock is? When I remove this lock, lights come on. That's how you wake it up. Once you wake it up, it thinks it's ready to get washed clothes. Throw your stuff in there, throw your soap in there, do everything, hit start, boom, it fills up, does everything it's supposed to. Just got to be careful doing it. But you'll save a ton of water. Hashtag GK says, little hacks. Peace.